Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to design this component. First, go to sketch, create sketch, click a plane, and we need to draw a circle of diameter 100 mm. So go to circle, give diameter 100 mm, just click enter, and again we need to draw a circle of 135.6 mm. So go to circle, draw a circle 135.6 mm, and we need to draw a circle of 150 mm. Circle 150 mm, enter. Okay, then we need to draw another two circles from this center to this center. It should be 150 mm. So go to circle, just draw a random circle of diameter 50 mm, enter, and another circle of diameter 80 mm, radius 40, diameter 80. So instead of drawing another circle, I'm going to draw a line like this and another line vertical. It would be really convenient if I draw like this. Okay, I have drawn a horizontal line and a vertical line. I'm going to mirror it. Go to mirror, just click these 2 points, and mirror line, you need to click this line as mirror line. If you give OK, you could get another two circles. Now we need to dimension it. So I'm going to dimension it from this point and this point. The length is 150 mm. Enter. Again, dimension. Let's cut this. Okay, so to cut this, you need to draw a line. Go to line and draw length of line as 20 mm and draw one horizontal line, and from this point you need to draw another horizontal line. Like same, you need to do it in opposite side. From this point, if you measure, it is 20 mm, and draw one horizontal line, and again another horizontal line. Now we are going to trim it. Trim unwanted parts. This line. Okay. Now we got this shape. Go to create and conic curves. Click this point and this point, and just make this shape. You could see, and enter. Now we got a shape here. Now we are going to trim it. Trim this unwanted shape. Now we got a curve here. We are going to mirror it so that it's easy to draw on the other side. Go to mirror this point and just click the mirror plane as this line as mirror line. we got same shape on both sides. Now we are going to mirror again. Go to mirror. Just click these 2 points and mirror line. This line is mirror line. Okay, we got a structure right. Now we are going to trim this unwanted sections, these sections. So go to trim, 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 trim. Oops, Control Z, trim, trim. Here we have some lines. Trim it. That's all. We got a shape. Now we are going to extrude it. Oops. Go to solid, extrude. Just slightly tilt the plane. Just click all this plane and just extrude. The length 20 mm. So we're going to extrude for 20. Just click OK. Now we got this shape, and again we are going to sketch it. Go to solid, create sketch. Again another circle of radius diameter 135.6. Now go to solid again, extrude. Just click only this and just tilt the pen down. Oh, we can cut it. Of length, I could see the direction. Like I'm going to select this plane, like from that bottom view, so it is more convenient. This plane, cut. If you slide down 10 mm. Okay, now we got the shape that we require. That's all about this video, guys. If you like it, just click the like button below, subscribe and comment below. Thank you, guys.